Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Squarespace with HoneyBook, so let's get right into it. Now, there are no official or even unofficial extensions which you can use that connect the two. However, pretty much anything you use on HoneyBook can be embedded on your Squarespace site using simple embed blocks, which is exactly what I'm going to be showing you right now. So, what I'm going to be doing is adding a contact form, and if I go into my contact page on Squarespace, it is empty because I'm preparing it for embedding the contact form. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on edit. I have this empty section where I'm just going to add a block, and I'm going to click on embed. I'm going to place it pretty much here, and I'm going to stretch it to pretty much become centered. We're going to click on this pencil icon here, go to code snippet, then embed data, and this is where we're going to be embedding whatever we want. Now I'm going to go over into HoneyBook. This is one of my contact forms. I'm just going to go back to tell you how I got to it. So from here you can go into clients and into contact forms, and this is pretty much what you're going to be using most of the time. You can embed other things as far as I'm aware, but I'm just going to be using this default contact form. I'm going to click on publish, and I'm going to copy this code over here. This is the embed code which you need to use on your site. Now if we go back, we can go here, and we're going to paste the code here on embed data. And now that that's pasted, we can go back and we can exit out of that. Now, as you can see, this block contains scripts. Embedded scripts are disabled while you're logged in and editing your site. So we can just go ahead and save, and we're going to exit the editor, and that's just going to display our code block just like this. And as you can see, it is completely embedded exactly as it looks like over here. However, the caveat is that it isn't the same color background as is the site, but that in my opinion doesn't matter that much, and it's as simple as that. Really, that's all you need to do. You can, as I've mentioned, pretty much embed anything else you would like, but this is how you do it with HoneyBook. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.